Hello friends, how are you? This is the IT man. This is my first video on Python. So, in today's video, I will show you how to download and install Python. As you can see, here is the latest version of Python for Windows. So, click it. It will take some time for downloading. So, wait a minute. Depends upon your internet connection speed. Click run. Click on install now if you want to install it in C, but if you want to change your location, then click on customize installation. But make sure that you click on this. You check that add Python 3.8 to path and then click on this. It will take some time and after it will install.